How's everyone doing? Hope you are doing good. So today I bring to you all yet another beautiful candle ritual. This is for existing relationship to be in peace and harmony. See, sometimes we all have beautiful relationships in our life. We have a loving husband, we have a loving partner, or we have a loving wife. But what happens is, they sometimes they don't understand, and sometimes what happens is that they just are not ready to sit and talk to us, or sit and understand what is going on. Everything is there. Certain people come and tell me, Pinky ji, we have everything. We have money, we have power, we have influence in the family. Everything is there, but that happiness is missing. That harmony is missing. It is as if we are two people, parallel people, living in this world and walking in parallelly next to each other, but there is no love, there is no affection. So I asked them, what do you mean by love? So they say love is there. He or she, they live for us, they earn for us, they cook for us, everything they do for us, but there is something which is missing. There is no peace in the house. So for the peace in the house, this is the best candle you can work on. This is the best ritual you can work on. So the couple candle here will represent the male and the female of the house, the man and the woman, or the husband and the wife. Alright. So now, for whomever I am doing, I will tell their name, and then only I will know that they are always in peace and harmony. When I say peace and harmony, it doesn't mean that every day they are fighting and end of the day they patch up and they are happy. Not that way. There is, everything is there. There are fights, there are arguments, everything, but end of the day there is no peace between them. They feel as if there are two people just next to each other. There is no peace. So I have energized, or I have cleansed my couple. I will be using 4 plain red candles. So 2 in the front and 2 in the back. For this I am bringing in a special oil which I call it as the peace and harmony oil. So that oil will be sent with this, along with the peace and harmony powder. So what do we do? Now this is not just the thing that we will be doing. We will take a red colored thread. I forgot to cut the thread, or else I would have told you what to be done. We will take a 1 meter thread, or we will take a thread which can cover this whole plate. Alright, so what do? We will take this thread and we will do a knot magic. Alright, so by the knot of 1, before that I will be giving you all the peace and harmony oil. You will apply that oil here. Alright, and then what you will do is, I'll just apply up the oil since I have the oil. Alright, now after I apply the oil, I will say, by the knot of 1, X and Y are happy and peaceful in life. By the knot of 2, X and Y live in harmony. By the knot of 3, X and Y have peace with each other and with others in the family. By the knot of 4, they live a peaceful life. They live a life full of bliss and happiness. By the knot of 5, the magic has begun. By the knot of 6, the universe and the divine has blessed them with peace and harmony. By the knot of 7, they live a beautiful and a peaceful life and a happy life. By the knot of 8, they are always happy, smiling and blessed with health, wealth and happiness. By the knot of 9, this is what I desire, and so mote it be, so mote it be, so mote it be. So you will say these 9 knots and you will tie. After that, what you will do is, you will first take the center couple candle and you will tie it. Alright, so I am taking the center couple candle and I am tying it. You can tie 3 knots, or I would suggest 3 knots. Alright, so you will tie 3 knots here. Alright, now I have tied. Now there is a candle at the back, right? So I will bring in and I will round it. Alright, and then I will come to this candle and I will bring in and I will round it. I will not make it very tight or anything, just a little loose. Right, after this is over, you can even come from the front. If you want to come from the front, it is up to you. So again here I bring in, all right, and then I revolve it. I should have cut the thread and kept, it was my mistake. Again I bring in, I revolve it, and I bring it here at the end. Now when I bring it here at the end, what I will do is I will tie it with the last white candle. Alright. So this is how the setup will be, and I will first burn the couple candle. After the couple candle, I'll burn all the 4 candles, intending that there is harmony and peace. In fact, in knot magic, when we burn all these candles and the thread gets burned somewhere, the knot magic energies go to the universe, and the universe blesses us with health, wealth, happiness, more happiness and peace amongst the couple. So I hope this is clear. If you all have any doubts, you all can let me know, and do try this. It's an amazing ritual for health and harmony and peace. More than health, harmony and peace, happiness between husband and wife. So do like the channel, subscribe the channel, click on the bell icon so that you'll be updated as and when I bring in such videos. I hope you all enjoyed this. Do let me know whether you want me to bring in any particular videos, and I shall bring in those also. Happy day.